straight. Yeah. Alright, dude, that's good. Arrived at Billy's boy's house, and he's got his fresh G37 right here. Unfortunately, this is not his fault right here. It sucks. Mad damage. Bill's SI right here. We're gonna take off the insulation.
Take off the insulation. Let's pop it off real quick.
Oh, you about to pop the hood, boy?
My intake right here. We're about to bolt it off. Just got to get the pliers and get these clips off and get these screws off, whatever. I'm gonna put the heat tape on just because of the placement of the intake, because the insulation, it just maintains the temperature, and the temperature down here it's not really getting thick cold air as if I were to replace like put the battery somewhere else and get it like so it was coming through the front, almost like the headlight, then it would get cold air, and that way the insulation will work because we maintain that colder air.
Because right now your filter is literally, I mean, you don't have a header and you still have like a heat shield back there, but you're still not getting the right air temperature, dude, into your manifold. So you're losing power technically.
Yeah, I am. And if you feel this thing's cooking.
Yeah, it is pretty freaking high.
It's pretty freaking hot.
You fry an egg on there, bro.
Yeah, no,
you know?
For sure.
You're turning into quite the mechanic, man. I'm just getting faster every time.
Fast learner.
And if any of you guys need stock suspension, it's for what, a sedan?
No, it was for the FG2, but I'm pretty sure it'll fit on the
For the FG2, so there's stock suspension. There's what? Rear? There's rear and front, right?
Rear and front. You got all the struts, the springs, it's all good.
Throw them an offer down low. Down low.
Yeah,
what do you want? What do you want for them?
I'm looking at least 200. I mean, I'm looking more closer to 300, but
all right.
I'll go around I'll ball around, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so we got the intake off, and now it's time to get all the insulation and the foil tape off.
Yeah, you got a solid, like, inch to go. Stuff is gonna look sick, man. Oh, dude. Oh my god, he's dissecting it. Back to the original roots, guys.
Gerb's throwing the first layer on there, the first little strip.
Harder than it looks to get the perfect flush feel, because it wants to kink, especially at this bend right here. We have like probably 8 to 10 kinks in this one spot. So I'm trying to do 2 layers, and everything's working pretty good except for when I came to this kink area right here, and it doesn't want to sit flush. It's kind of hard to get this on there flush, so I'm gonna keep messing with this and then just keep working my way up right here. So can't wait for the final product.
Just trying to get this all cut out. So
it's definitely coming out really good. Like, I know there's a good amount of kinks, but honestly, you know, it's bound to kink. Bill's in here taking a quick, get 5 minutes, man. 5-minute break.
Bro, I'm dying out here, man. You know them thyroid issues.
How, dude? It's 71 degrees, Bill.
I'm dying, son. Adding some last finishing touches right now. We got to get some kinks out. I'm gonna use the debit card and fold them over. Gerb.
Could take some heat.
Yeah.
Like a torch to it, you know?
Yeah, just torch it up.
You'll be melting your plastic intake, bro. No, but seriously, yeah, we got to just get the kinks out. Hardest part, and I thought this was going to be easiest, is the top part here, man. And it doesn't seem like there's that much of a bend, but on this bottom piece, it really, like, had me confused. So
this is actually 24 karat, by the way. So this is like grade A one.
Yo, you might actually win shows now, Bill. I asked Bill if he has VTEC in this thing.
Oh my god.
Is it quick or no? I mean, would you recommend one of these cars to
honestly,
entry-level tuner?
No, it's slow.
Bill's certified certified Honda technician. He will install your hoses for free of charge. Is that on all the way, dude?
Yeah, bro.
Are you sure? You don't want to know? Everything's good? All right. So this thing's gonna run like super cold now, right? Hopefully.
Yeah, dude, like ice age cold.
We're pretty much just gonna film his intake air temp before the drive, and then take a nice like 15-minute drive and see what it shoots up to, and if this actually works.
It's at 96.
Dude, that's sick. Oh yeah, it just went up to 98 right now. Holy shit.
It's at 98.
98?
98.
We're at 107 degrees Fahrenheit currently.